Did you know that ancient Africans built spiritual technology that still works today? In Ethiopia, there are massive stone towers called the Axum obelisks. These aren't just pretty monuments. They're actually spiritual machines built 1700 years ago. The ancient builders knew exactly where to put each tower. They line up perfectly with stars in the sky. But here's the crazy part. The granite stone creates real electric fields that scientists can measure today. Local priests still know the old secrets. During special star events, they perform ceremonies that make the obelisk come alive with energy. Scientists watch it happen but can't explain how. The biggest tower is over 80 feet tall. It works like a giant antenna connecting Earth to space. Ethiopian spiritual leaders say that it opens doorways to other worlds. Recent scans found something amazing underground. There are hidden rooms and metal rods running everywhere. The whole site is like one giant spiritual power grid. People who visit say they feel different there. Their minds open up. They have spiritual experiences they can't explain. This is African spiritual technology at its finest.